Hello, hello. May God bless you and may prosper you this day. My name is Rick and I am the cryptocurrency Watchman. Okay, we're going to take a look at an ICO that's going to be launching in about a day, a little over a day. Yeah. 1 day, 7 hours, 49 minutes, and 46 seconds. Um, it's called Nexus. It's it is a decentralized blockchain social network. Basically, it's Facebook on the blockchain. But the nice thing about it is that unlike Facebook, who sells your information to the government, to the NSA, and to the FBI, and whoever the highest bidder is, these people will not. In fact, Nexus can't even access your information. Everything is kept secret. Everything is private. And they also have a token that's coming out. They're actually up and running right now, and you can see that you can download it from the Apple Store, App Store, and on Google Play. So they're already up and going. They're based out of Australia, and I think they have a really, really good thing going here because Facebook is great and everything. Don't get me wrong, but the fact that everything you're doing is going into the computer over at the NSA, and that's not a conspiracy theory. That's a fact. They've already admitted it. We know that everything you do, everything you say, anything that you do on Twitter, on Facebook, on any social network that is not a part of the blockchain, is being monitored. It's going into a little file somewhere in a computer somewhere to be used against you if need be sometime later on down the road. And the blockchain is the way to avoid a lot of that, and that's why a lot of people are going to it. So let's take a look at who they are. Okay, here's some information on their coin called Social. Social is a new cryptocurrency that will be used within Nexus. Nexus is the site, the social site. A secure and private decentralized social network with integrated marketplace with an ad platform. The team plans on integrating their coin Social into their platform, Nexus, as its native currency. Socials will mainly be used in Nexus Marketplace to buy and sell goods and services from other users and donate to crowdfunding campaigns on the platform. Socials will also be used within the integrated Nexus ad platform to purchase ad spaces that will be displayed within users' newsfeed. So it's pretty cool. You can place ads on Nexus. Of course, it's a social network. You have all the fundamentals of the social network, but you can also get involved with crowdfunding campaigns. You can from what I'm seeing here, you're going to be able to literally buy in to the ICOs right here on the platform using the socials, their cryptocurrency. Okay, I like this right here. It says most ICOs hold a majority of coins or tokens for their own keeping, along with giving 10% or more away for bounties or payment. The Nexus team will be holding 0 coins to ensure that a large majority of the tokens in circulation have been acquired by real funds to provide a solid market capital foundation. A total of 95% of coins will be available for purchase during the entire ICO period. This will highly reduce the probability of a day one exchange dump that happens to most new tokens that hit the market, and that's true. The pre-ICO for Social is coming to an end. The main ICO is set to start on the 17th of August at 1 Mountain Time, I think, and will run for exactly 1 month or until the hard cap is hit. Okay, they're going to have their own debit card, which from what they're saying is supposed to launch, I think, the 1st of 2018. The Nexus debit card connects your Nexus account wallet to your Nexus debit card to spend your social coins as fiat currencies anywhere in the world. Fees will be minimal, and as the card uses Visa infrastructure, you can use it almost anywhere in the world. We will use a technique called JITF, just-in-time funding. Here's a breakdown of how an entire transaction will work using the Nexus debit card. Users issued either a physical or virtual Nexus debit card that is linked to their account wallet. Card contains $0 at all times. User swipes card to pay for a purchase. Transaction is sent to our server. Server checks which fiat currency is requested. Nexus checks if user account wallet contains enough social to make the purchase. Social is then sold for requested fiat. Fiat is moved to the debit card. Transaction is approved. Card balance is back to $0. Your Nexus account wallet will be able to hold and store any Ethereum ERC20 standard token. Shapeshift.io integration will allow you to convert between tokens seamlessly straight from your Nexus account. Convert socials between Shapeshift supported ERC20 standard tokens or buy socials directly with other ERC20 tokens. The Nexus account wallet is planned for launch early 2018. That's all well and good. I just wonder what fees are involved with all that transacting and everything else. Let's see if we can find something on that. Okay, here's a little statement on the security. No misuse of community's data or violation of users' privacy. All plans of development and future enhancements will go through the community. Nexus also plans to open source all projects by 2018. Think of Nexus as the first community-driven social network where the users own their data, not the organization. Imagine a full decentralized social network where all data and multimedia is stored on the blockchain instead of centralized servers. I like the sound of that. Coin distribution. 95% of all coins are available for purchase during the ICO. A maximum of 5% of the total supply of coins will be given to promote the product via multiple forms of digital marketing and development. 0 tokens will be distributed to the Nexus team instead. We will be implementing a buyback program. This will highly reduce the probability of a day one exchange dump that happens to most new tokens when they hit the market. No coins are offered for bounties as all bounty payouts are in BTC. A total of 5% of all SCL in circulation will be purchased back during the first 24 hours to help see SCL enter a bullish trend. I think that's very clever, but it sounds like, let's see, it says instead of allocating X amount of SCL to the team during the ICO period, we'll be launching a buyback program in the exchange. SCL will be purchased with BTC. Okay. They're limiting, they're only buying back 5% of the tokens themselves. Now, if somebody else wanted to pay for the tokens or something like that, that could be a possibility. But yes, you make good money with the dump, when the ICO comes to an end, and yeah, you can make some quick money. But some of these coins, you really got to use your head with some of them. I mean, yeah, some of them are good for buying and dumping, because they may or may not have a future, but some coins are going to have one heck of a future, and they're going to pay off big. The longer you hold them, the better off they're going to pay. And if you're buying like the what do they call them, the super coins, where you actually get paid a dividend, especially if they're not mining the coin but they're forging the coin. If you hold one of these super coins, you get paid as people do their transactions. You get paid a dividend like every year, and it winds up being tens of thousands of dollars a year sometimes. So you may want to think about that when you get into an ICO as to which direction you want to go. Okay, here's what they're offering as part of the social network: instant messaging, marketplace, mobile apps, Tor and VNP, multi-wallet, debit card, privacy, security, decentralization, groups, events, image editor, feed filtering, push notifications, GIFs, fun post, emojis, speed, user tagging, regulated. See, regulated. Our support team are constantly removing inappropriate. Okay, it's regulated for inappropriate content. Ad platform, hashtags, friends and followers, design, poll post, blocking, and more to come. Okay, let's take a look at the team behind Nexus. This is Jade Mulholland. There's actually a little video at the beginning of the page. If you scroll at the top of the page, there's a video where he gives a little short message on there. Jay graduated from Bond University with a Bachelor of Multimedia Design with a double major in Information Technology and Advertising. Since then, Jade has been working as a full-stack JavaScript developer, with modern technologies such as Angular, Node.js, TypeScript, and Webpack. Okay, backend and Solidity developer. By the way, he's the founder. Backend and Solidity developer, Mo Abbas. Mohammed has been working as a back-end developer with Microsoft Technologies for decades. His experience varies from online stock market platforms to fully integrated custom CRM systems. Most recent experience includes Solidity development with smart contracts with Ethereum. And these are some lovely ladies that are involved with the program. No offense, ladies, but we're just gonna Selena Bunting, Sarah Fitzwilliam, and Kelly Gooch, just to mention them so I don't leave them out. All right, let's look at the advisors. Frank Bonnet. Frank is the founder and lead developer of Decore, an autonomous, decentralized, and democratic organization that exists on the blockchain as a series of smart contracts. Frank provides his expertise on Solidity development for our smart contracts. And finally, Hansko Leek, who is also an advisor. Stockbroker, entrepreneur, investor, early Bitcoin adopter, and co-owner founder at Auto Dealer, successful automotive IT company, among others. Hansko assists and advises with service management and business relations. Okay, we're on their white pages here. This is kind of their mission statement here, so let's kind of read through it. Almost 2.5 billion people on Earth use some form of social networking. Account data is harvested and accessed by large corporations every day. Nexus is a new generation of social network. All data and uploads will exist on the blockchain instead of centralized servers. Nexus is a feature-rich platform that allows you to communicate with friends and families in multiple different and unique ways while providing state-of-the-art security and privacy. By decentralizing and encrypting all data and uploads, Nexus hopes to eliminate all invasion of privacy that large corporations are currently performing. End-to-end message encryption ensures only you and the person you're communicating with can read what is sent. I like that. And nobody in between, not even Nexus. Imagine a full decentralized social network where all data and multimedia is stored on the blockchain instead of centralized servers. I really like the sound of this. I really do. The network will contain its very own native cryptocurrency to be used for all purchases called social. SCL can be used to buy goods and services from other users, purchase ad spaces from integrated ad platforms, donate to crowdfunding campaigns, and much more. Nexus will create a gateway between social coins and the real world by offering an instant access debit card that can be used almost anywhere on Earth. Be a part of history by participating in the ICO. By getting in early, you'll have the chance to be the first in the world to hold social coins. As more users join Nexus, the demand for social will increase, while the total number of coins will never exceed 50 million. So I like that. You know, you can tell that they are behind their product 100%. I mean, they're not taking any coins for themselves. They're putting a cap on the amount of coins that they're going to put out. I mean, 50 million sounds like a lot, but it really isn't. I mean, if you look at a lot of the other ICOs, oh my gosh, some of the number of coins they put out, some of them, you know, some of these coins that are out there it's insane. But anyway, they believe in their product, and you can see that. Okay, my last point here, market statistics. Social media advertising spend is projected to reach nearly $36 billion globally in 2017, with the U.S. and Canada spending the most and eclipsing $12.5 billion in 2016. E-commerce sales expected to grow almost 12% in the next few years. Global retail e-commerce sales will reach $1.915 trillion in 2016, accounting for 8.7% of total retail spending worldwide. 71% of shoppers believe they will get a better deal online than in stores. Everything is going online. That's why you're seeing a lot of these malls close and a lot of these stores close. Okay, guys, my final opinion on this one. This is one to buy. This is one to get into. Even if these guys only get 5% of the market for maybe the first year or so, that's huge, huge. But being decentralized, everything's going decentralized, everything's going to security, everything. And these guys have their foot in the door. They're already up and running, and I believe they're going to be huge. So I'm going to jump in on this one. You guys pray about it, make up your own mind, and just do what the Lord leads you to do. Please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. Tell your friends about this channel, and please subscribe. And check out my day trading videos that I put out. Thanks, guys.